Hi everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to create this section transition in Framer. So step number one, create a new frame. Let's call it transition. Click on layout and press Ctrl X and I will paste it inside my hero section. We can't see the frame right now because the background is on top of it, so let's go to styles, add a z-index, type 2. Now let's change the position from relative to absolute, align it to the bottom and change the width to relative 100%. Then go to overflow visible and remove the fill. Next I'm gonna create a new frame, paste it inside the transition frame and duplicate it 2 more times. Select all 3 frames and change their width to fill. Now let's select the transition and remove the gap. Also click on the top alignment to align the shapes to the top and I will make them taller, something like this. Select the transition and now move it outside the hero section. Okay, next select the hero section, go to scroll section and I will call it scroll. And it is it. Now I will select the first frame, go to effects, scroll transform, switch to section in view, select the section that I just created and I will center the viewport. Then click from, increase the opacity to 1 and the scale to 1 as well. Then go right here and select the second effect. Now all you have to do is just to type a negative offset in the Y field. So I will add minus 120 for the first shape. Then right click, copy this effect, select the second frame, go to effects, scroll transform, paste the effect, and then all you have to do is just increase the negative number right here. So I will increase it to minus 220 and then select the third frame, effects, scroll transform, then let's paste the same effect again, go to the second effect and increase the negative offset to minus 300 or minus 350 and it is it. Now let's preview this. And as you can see, we have a beautiful transition. However, there is a small gap right here, so let's fix it. I will select all 3 frames and instead of fill, I'm gonna use a relative size and increase it to 35. And now the gap disappeared. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.